how do I improve resonance in my singing?
Well, okay, so improving resonance is going to can be a little tricky because depending on who you are and how you sing and what you like. A couple of ways to help make sure that you're utilizing good resonance and not choking off that space is to make sure that you're free of tension in here. I tend to aim more for a taller, more narrow space in the back of the mouth than a shorter, wider space. Dropping the jaw overall and keeping the tongue out of the way helps to access a little bit more of that resonance, a little bit more space. And then you might think of things like, if you want the tone a little bit more forward, then you might think of speaking it in the front of the mouth and having, paying attention, putting the consonants as the lips, tongue, and teeth, really feeling the space there. If you need a little bit of a warmer sensation, you might make it a little more central or think a little bit more narrow. Like I said, it kind of depends on where you are tonally and what you're looking to accomplish. But I'd say more than anything, make sure that tension's out of the way, that you're taking good advantage of dropping the jaw, getting the tongue out of the way. Keeping more of a narrow shaping as opposed to a wider shaping will help. Yeah, anything else you want to add?
Nope, I think you covered it all. Like getting the tongue out of the way while you drop the jaw is a big thing. A lot of times people drop their jaw and their tongue pops up and
keep the tongue
fills
in the
that
same
space.
spot. It's like,
yeah, so I mean, you could drop your jaw all day long, but your sound may not change if that tongue's still staying where it was. So,
stuff to consider and stuff to play around with.
Yeah, and again, how singing lessons help. We don't really know what to tell you resonance-wise until we hear what your resonance is already like. So.
No, and what you want.
And what you want, exactly.
Some people might want to sound like Tracy Chapman, where some people might want to sound like Norah Jones, where some people might want to sound like Beyonce, where some people might want to sound like Robert Plant. Who knows?
Yeah.
So, anywho's.